Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of driver information on YouTube. In this comprehensive guide, we'll unravel the mysteries of your tire sidewall, decoding everything from tire size to type, ratings, and more. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to make informed decisions about your tires and ensure your vehicle's safety and performance. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for more automotive content. Let's dive right in. How to read your tire sidewall. Are you unsure about how to interpret the numbers and letters on your tire sidewall? Worry no more. In this video, we will guide you through the process of understanding your tire sidewall, giving you the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about your vehicle's tires. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently decoding the sidewall markings and recognizing important information such as tire size, load index, speed rating, and more. Let's dive in and demystify the language of your tire sidewall. Importance of reading your tire sidewall. Reading your tire sidewall may seem like a mundane task, but it holds great importance when it comes to maintaining the safety and performance of your vehicle. Understanding the information imprinted on your tire sidewall is crucial for various reasons. Let's look into the importance of reading your tire sidewall and highlight key subsections to give you a comprehensive understanding. Ensuring proper tire fitment. One of the first things you'll notice on your tire sidewall is a combination of letters and numbers indicating tire size. This information includes the aspect ratio, rim diameter, and the width. By reading the tire sidewall, you can ensure that the tires you choose are the correct fitment for your vehicle. Improperly sized tires can lead to handling issues, decreased fuel efficiency, and potential safety hazards. Determining recommended tire pressure. Another critical piece of information found on your tire sidewall is the recommended tire pressure. It is usually displayed in PSI, pounds per square inch. Maintaining proper tire pressure is essential for optimal vehicle performance, fuel efficiency, and tire longevity. By checking your tire sidewalls for the proper information, you can ensure that your tires are inflated to the manufacturer's specification, reducing the risk of blowouts, uneven tread wear, and decreased handling capabilities. Identifying tire type and performance ratings. Your tire sidewall is also home to valuable information regarding the type of tire and its performance ratings. This information includes the tire's speed rating, load index, and any specific designations such as all-season, summer, or winter tires. Understanding these ratings allows you to choose tires that are suitable for your driving needs and environmental conditions, ensuring enhanced safety and performance. Checking tire manufacture date and warranty information. The tire sidewall contains a 4-digit code indicating the tire's manufacture date. This information helps you determine the age of the tire and assess its remaining lifespan. Additionally, some tires have specific warranty information imprinted on the sidewall, which is crucial for understanding the coverage and limitations provided by the manufacturer. Regularly reading your tire sidewall can assist you in making informed decisions about tire replacements and warranty claims. Verifying tread wear indicators. Tire sidewalls also feature tread wear indicators, usually in the form of small raised bars spaced evenly around the tire. These indicators serve as a visual cue to determine if your tire tread has worn down to the minimum acceptable depth. By monitoring the tread wear indicators on the sidewall, you can assess when it's time to replace your tires to maintain optimal traction, handling, and safety. In conclusion, reading your tire sidewall is not just about decoding a string of letters and numbers. It provides crucial information about tire fitment, recommended tire pressure, performance ratings, manufacturing details, and tread wear indicators. By understanding and interpreting this information, you can ensure that your tires are well suited for your vehicle, properly maintained, and in line with safety standards. Regularly inspecting your tire sidewall is a simple yet effective practice that contributes to a safer and more efficient driving experience. Understanding tire size. When it comes to understanding your tire sidewall, one of the most important factors to consider is the tire size. The tire size provides crucial information about the dimensions and capabilities of the tire. Here we will break down the various components of a tire size and explain what they mean. Tire width. The first number you'll typically encounter in a tire size is the tire width. It is measured in millimeters and represents the distance from one sidewall to the other. For example, if you see a tire size of 225/55 R17, the tire width would be 225 millimeters. The wider the tire, the more surface area it has, which can impact traction and grip on the road. Aspect ratio. The aspect ratio is the second number in the tire size, representing the height of the tire sidewall as a percentage of the tire width. It gives you an idea of how tall the tire is. For instance, in our previous example of 225/55 R17, the aspect ratio would be 55. A lower aspect ratio means a lower sidewall, which can contribute to a sportier and more responsive driving experience. Rim diameter. The rim diameter is the measurement of the wheel size in inches. It indicates the diameter of the wheel on which the tire will be mounted. In an example like 225/55 R17, the rim diameter would be 17 inches. It is essential to choose the correct rim diameter to ensure a proper fit and safe driving performance. Load index. The load index is a numerical code that tells you the maximum weight capacity of the tire. It indicates the maximum load a single tire can carry when properly inflated. The load index can be found on the sidewall and is usually accompanied by a corresponding weight value. It is crucial to choose tires with a load index that meets or exceeds the weight of your vehicle. Speed rating. The speed rating represents the maximum speed safe enough for a tire to handle safely for prolonged periods. It is indicated by a letter, such as T, H, V, or Z, among others. Each letter corresponds to a specific maximum speed, which can vary from brand to brand. It is important to choose tires with a speed rating that matches or exceeds the top speed of your vehicle to ensure optimal safety and performance. Understanding these tire size components will empower you to make informed decisions when choosing tires for your vehicle. Whether you're looking for enhanced traction, improved handling, or increased load carrying capacity, understanding your tire size is the first step towards finding the perfect fit for your needs. Decoding tire manufacturing date. Understanding the manufacturing date of your tires is crucial for ensuring their safety and performance. By decoding the tire manufacturing date, you can determine how old your tires are and make informed decisions about their usage and replacement. Let's dive into the details of decoding tire manufacturing dates. How to identify the manufacturing date. To decode the manufacturing date of your tire, you need to locate the dot code on the sidewall. The dot code typically consists of a series of numbers and letters. The last 4 digits of this code represent the tire manufacturing date. Decoding the manufacturing date. The last 4 digits of the dot code reveal the manufacturing week and year of the tire. The first 2 digits indicate the week, while the last 2 digits represent the year. For example, if the last 4 digits are 4819, it means the tire was manufactured in the 48th week of 2019. Understanding the manufacturing year. Keep in mind that the manufacturing year is represented by the last 2 digits of the 4-digit code. However, it's important to note that this doesn't necessarily mean the tire was made in the same year you purchased it. Tires can be in storage for months or even years before they are purchased and installed on a vehicle. The importance of the manufacturing date. Knowing the manufacturing date of your tires is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps you determine the age of your tires, which is important for tire maintenance and replacement. As tires age, their rubber compounds can degrade, leading to reduced performance and safety risks. Additionally, understanding the manufacturing date allows you to check if your tires are within the recommended age limits specified by tire manufacturers. While there's no universally agreed upon maximum tire age, many experts recommend replacing tires that are 6 years or older, regardless of their tread depth. Checking for tire age during purchase. When purchasing new tires, it's essential to check their manufacturing date. Avoid buying tires that have been in stock for an extended period, as they might already be several years old. Insist on purchasing recently manufactured tires to ensure maximum lifespan and performance. In summary, decoding the manufacturing date of your tires gives you valuable insights into their age and helps you determine when to replace them. By being aware of the manufacturing date, you can prioritize tire maintenance and ensure the safety and performance of your vehicle. Remember to check the last 4 digits of the dot code to unveil the manufacturing week and year of your tires. Identifying tire type. When it comes to understanding your tire sidewall, one of the first things you need to know is how to identify the different types of tires available. From all-season to off-road, each type serves a specific purpose and performs differently under various conditions. In this section, we will explore the most common tire types. These include all-season tires, summer tires, winter tires, performance tires, and off-road tires. All-season tires. All-season tires are designed to provide reliable performance in all types of weather conditions, making them a popular choice for many drivers. They are built with a tread pattern that offers good traction on both dry and wet surfaces. All-season tires also have the advantage of providing decent grip in light snow, although they are not recommended for severe winter conditions. These tires offer a balanced combination of comfort, durability, and performance for everyday driving. Summer tires. Summer tires, also known as performance tires, are engineered to deliver enhanced handling and grip on dry and warm road surfaces. They feature a tread compound specifically designed to provide optimal traction in hot weather conditions. Summer tires have shallower tread depths and larger tread blocks, allowing for better responsiveness and cornering stability. However, it's important to note that summer tires may not perform well in colder temperatures or on icy roads, making them more suitable for driving during the warmer months. Winter tires. Winter tires, also referred to as snow tires, are designed to excel in colder temperatures, icy conditions, and heavy snowfall. They feature a specialized tread compound that remains flexible in freezing temperatures, providing superior traction and braking performance. Winter tires have deeper grooves and unique tread patterns with numerous sipes, which enhance grip on icy and snowy surfaces. It is highly recommended to switch to winter tires during the cold season to ensure optimal safety and control on winter roads. Performance tires. Performance tires are specifically designed to cater to the needs of performance-oriented vehicles and driving enthusiasts. These tires prioritize superior grip, handling, and responsiveness, allowing for enhanced acceleration, cornering, and braking capabilities. Performance tires often feature a softer rubber compound and a tread pattern optimized for maximum traction on dry surfaces. However, it's crucial to note that performance tires may not deliver the same level of comfort and longevity as other types of tires, as their focus lies mainly on performance attributes. Off-road tires. Off-road tires, also called all-terrain tires, are designed for vehicles that frequently venture off paved roads. These tires feature a rugged and aggressive tread pattern with deeper grooves to provide excellent traction on various terrains, including dirt, mud, gravel, and rocks. Off-road tires are constructed with reinforced sidewalls to withstand rough conditions and resist punctures. While these tires excel in off-road performance, they may not offer the same level of comfort and quietness as other tire types when used on regular roads. Understanding the different tire types is essential for selecting the right tires that suit your driving needs and the prevailing weather conditions. Whether it's all-season tires for everyday use, summer tires for enhanced performance, winter tires for snowy roads, performance tires for sporty driving, or off-road tires for adventures, choosing the appropriate tire type ensures optimal safety and performance on the road. Thank you for joining us on Easy Driver Part 1, where we explored tire treadwear ratings, tire identification numbers, and the importance of maintaining proper tire pressure. Stay tuned for the Part 2 of this content. We hope you found this information valuable for enhancing your vehicle's safety and performance. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more automotive tips and insights. Thank you for watching.